are going to see Jamie and Amy right now in Woodinville.
Twins?
No, brother and sister though.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, they are selling their dad's home, Terry's home.
Okay.
And then he recently passed away, and they want to give back to him by, you know, getting his house to the level that he always wanted it before they turn around and sell it.
That's really sweet.
I know, it really touched me because I feel like that's that family love and family connection that we have.
Yeah.
Right there, your third one.
Yep, that's it.
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, look at these mature trees, beautiful hydrangeas. Now, these garage doors do freak me out a little.
Yeah.
Actually, they're like peeling. Wow, the garage doors, the
Step
roof.
back here.
I mean, I haven't seen shingles curl
Actually,
that much.
Yeah, those are curling.
This is not sellable at all.
This neighborhood, though, I mean,
beautiful houses.
all around.
The positive is we are in the heart of Woodinville.
Great neighborhood.
Phenomenal neighborhood. Hi, guys. I'm Leslie.
Jamie.
Jamie.
Nice to meet you.
Amy, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, thanks for inviting us over. I would love to hear a little bit more about the house.
So this is our dad's place.
Nice. Okay.
And he bought it about 17 years ago.
Well,
It's super cool.
Tons of natural light. And then being a split level, I mean, having an actual living room on your main entry floor, it's a unique, fun layout.
Yeah.
Color choice, not ours. I think it was one of the girlfriends.
You know, I gotta be honest, I mean, they did a pretty good job color matching that linoleum in the entry.
Oh, no, tile. This is
Tile.
tile.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
The carpet's seen better days.
Oh, yes.
You guys want to see the kitchen?
Okay,
It's interesting. Come on in.
interesting.
Oh, this is tight.
Oh, this is pretty
It's
tight.
cozy. It's a very cozy kitchen.
Oh, wow.
Cozy's a word.
Yes, and the color came through in here
Yeah.
too.
They liked the mustard. It's more those countertops that are throwing me off. The countertops are very,
Awful.
yeah, I don't know. It kind of reminds me of like a skate park.
It's my jacket.
Or your shirt.
Or your shirt.
Or a chessboard.
It's not nearly as tacky on you as it is here.
Thank you. I was starting to feel a little.
Yeah, that was a
nervous.
compliment.
In a perfect world, I'd completely take down that entire wall between the kitchen and the dining, put an island there so you could see to the back of the house the second you walked in.
I really like how big this primary bedroom is.
It's a great size.
The thing is that's just really tough is when you have a home that was built in the late 70s, early 80s, you are missing those things that we see in new construction,
Yeah. Sure.
like a huge walk-in closet.
Okay, great.
Okay? I would say probably in current condition, $680.
To sell the house as
Yeah,
is.
that would be my guess.
I would say this house needs new floors, new trim, new paint, exterior work.
Yeah, that's all cosmetic stuff.
Yeah.
This is one of those projects we would not want to get into moving structural walls unless we had a market that was, I don't know, a market 2 years ago. I'm not sure how we would even frame in that bathroom without moving plumbing and electrical and get that money back. So that's the part that I'm trying to wrap my head around. For actual return of the dollar, it probably makes more sense to do like a facelift.
Yeah, and there's a lot of places that, I mean, I think I could make a big impact with not doing a ton, you know, paint and trim and flooring, with some of those like big impact areas.
Yeah, or finishing the ceilings, you know, not leaving
course.
things halfway done.
Yeah.
But if we change the whole layout, I mean, opening up walls, moving plumbing and moving electrical and moving structural items, it's gonna cost us $250,000.
That makes sense. So it sounds like you don't want to put too much of an investment in it.
It's not necessarily about protecting our investment. We want to do what's best for you guys and also give you options.
Our dad talked about wanting to do a lot of these upgrades, and I get maybe not knocking down the entire house and starting over,
Sure.
but we love what you guys do, and I think part of it for us would be so excited to see what you could do with a home like this.
He was making plans to remodel the bathrooms.
So it was kind of our way to like honor what he wanted to do.
Well, we absolutely can look into that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be finding that sweet spot between what the cost is and what we really feel confident in that return being, and how we can honor, you know, Terry in this process and see where you guys feel is the right direction.
So starting on the exterior, paint, roof, gutters, garage doors.
Absolutely, and those front steps.
Then you go inside. This is super tight and then very tight getting into this kitchen. So I figure, what about if we take this pantry just out? These two walls here, neither are structural.
Yep.
So we can take all of those out without any issues whatsoever. And then all of this here is wide open, and now this is all the entry to the kitchen.
Almost 3 times the size.
I would love to open it up there. I think the whole kitchen needs a gut and redo. The cabinets, the counters, the floors, the backsplash, but stove stays in the same place, sink stays in the same place, dishwasher stays in the same place, nothing else is being moved, so we're not having to adjust plumbing, electrical, anything like that. Then we get down to the main bedroom. This is where I feel like we've got a major,
for sure.
like, issue. If we started moving walls, plumbing, electrical,
Yeah.
like, we could blow a huge budget. So we're gonna keep it pretty like for like on this one with, you know, what's already there, switching it out for something very similar.
On the outside of this house, we're gonna do one of the biggest transformations we've ever done. And that will begin with removing all the old cedar shake shingles and tearing it down and then rebuilding it with a beautiful new roof.
On the inside, we're pulling out all the old flooring, the kitchen cabinets, backsplash, and countertops, as well as the vanities and tiling in both the bathrooms. Most of the interior walls will stay in place to minimize moving the plumbing and electrical. Except we are opening up the entry into the kitchen and removing the walls inside the main bath that made the space much tighter than it needed to be. Today at the Love House, we're starting to install the LVP floors, but not in the kitchen. Owen agreed to install the beautiful porcelain tile that I really wanted. And outside, the painters are giving the exterior a completely new look.
Owen and the team have been busy tiling pretty much everything in this house, including the main bathroom, which has that much more open layout and a big walk-in shower.
This is how you do it now.
Whoa, that looks awesome.
Oh, that's a whole different house.
That looks so good. The
Yes.
exterior paint looks amazing.
Man, that exterior is gorgeous. I mean,
Oh,
Lou,
yeah.
roof, the gutters, the siding.
Today at the Love House, the painters are removing all traces of mustard yellow in the dining room and kitchen. The guest bath is getting a new tile surround, and the crew is installing the new cabinets in the kitchen. I have the moss artwork
I like that.
with all the like twisty, twirly, and the like living art aspect of it. It feels very like mid-century modern. I'm so excited. They should be here any minute.
I know.
What is going on?
Cute.
Oh my gosh.
Come on! Are you getting out of the car?
Freak it out.
We're just taking
Taking
it in.
it all
like,
in.
Wow.
Doesn't even look like the same house.
Remember what this place used to look like? Those garage doors, the shingles that were peeling up, the front stairs, just the overall feel of the home.
What a difference those garage
Oh, it looks
doors
so
make.
clean.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go, Dad's house.
What?
Ow, look.
I'm j-
Oh my gosh.
This is, it looks like
Is
a
this
carpet.
tile?
But
It is.
Tile.
It's a
I'm
linen
just
tile.
like, I love the floor. Whoa.
Come on in, explore.
So beautiful.
I love the color of the floors. Oh my goodness.
I like the fireplace black too. That's
We kept Dad's fireplace because we felt like it was such a staple.
super happy just to see.
Feels awesome. And they opened up the kitchen.
Let's go see.
This is such a surprise.
This was the closet and the pantry.
Oh.
So we were able to remove that.
Yeah.
Right.
You guys remember, you had to go here,
Yeah, to
and
get
then
into
you
the
turned
kitchen.
here.
So
Just opens it up.
huge difference, and no structural changes were made.
So much brighter.
Feels huge.
So
in
much
here.
brighter.
So much brighter.
It's
And
awesome.
check out the floor.
Yeah. So this is
Again,
all
very unique. I've
linen
never seen
tile.
or heard of a linen tile,
Yeah,
so
that's the first I've seen it too.
We wanted to put in like higher end tile here because of the price point we're trying to push for.
No, it's definitely unique.
all right.
Okay,
guys.
so Amy's big thing was she could not wait to see the kitchen.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
What?
There's so much more cabinet space.
This is killer.
Remember these walls used to be yellow mustard and the countertops were like that chessboard look?
This is so awesome. And the backsplash has the same as the floor?
Yeah.
That is so cool. It has like a texture to it.
Correct. This is a honed leather finish on a quartz countertop.
Check
Very
that
durable.
sink out.
And a
oh
black-
my gosh.
Yes.
A black apron sink.
Well, I love too how you see all of this right when you open up the door. You
Exactly.
can see right
Yep.
to the backyard and you see the big green trees in the backyard.
Yes.
Awesome.
Okay, you guys ready to go see the hall bath?
Yes.
All right, okay.
Wow.
Look at the
I
countertop.
love it.
That's at a normal height.
You know, that's right. The older ones were so much lower. This is great.
It's actually a custom vanity we had made to fit here, and then your beautiful tiled bathtub.
This is so much better.
It is awesome. Look at this. I love all the black accents.
And this is the linen tile again in the
yes,
kitchen.
you can
Oh,
feel
man.
it.
Yep.
This is so awesome.
All right, and then our main bedroom. Come on in.
See.
What a diff. Oh, wow.
Brighter.
Feels huge.
So much brighter.
Oh, look, they opened up the bathroom.
Ooh,
I'm having a hard
that's
time taking
fun.
it all in. We were wondering how you guys were gonna work with this space. It was so odd
It
before.
was so tight.
Yeah.
Oh,
and
this
ugly.
is so
Do you remember
cool.
the wall right next to the toilet and you can't
Yeah.
open
You
that
could
door?
barely get in.
This is perfect.
All right. The original price was $680,000. We invested $130,000, and now we're gonna list it tomorrow at $999,750. We will make a profit of almost $190 once we get back our investment of $130, and that will leave about $95,000 each to split.
Sounds
Awesome.
great.
Yes.
I am excited to get this on the market.
We are too.
Awesome.
Hi, welcome in.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming by the
meet
open
you.
house today.
Hi.
Thank you for having us.
Yes,
Yeah,
thank you for coming by.
What do you think of the floor?
It's a wow moment,
Yes,
right
yeah,
when you
it
first
is.
come into the house.
We're looking for something with natural light.
It's very light and bright in here.
And our back deck to drink your coffee or barbecue.
Oh wow, it has its own privacy.
Yes. That's why we put in this little privacy screen or to put plants
Oh,
on,
I
or
didn't know.
you can put herbs or candles.
Yeah, that's really cool. I like that.
So the main bedroom and bathroom.
Very nice. I love the color, texture, everything.
I like the fact that it has a bathroom
Yeah.
attached.
And this texture tile is super cool.
And then what used to be in here was there was actually a wall here
Oh.
with a door, so you would open the door and hit the toilet. So it was
Okay.
really tight.
Wow.
Okay, so now that you've seen the home, what do you think about the asking price of $999,750?
It feels like new home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's really reasonable for this area.
Especially given all the updates that have been done. Even though the home itself is older, it doesn't look like that anymore.
Yeah.
Sure.
mean, since we're down here, do you want to give Jamie and Amy a call about their house?
Yeah.
Finally, a purchase price that was amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
So I wanted to just go over an offer that we received, which I think you guys are gonna be really happy with. $1,175,000.
No. What?
Yes.
175 over?
Yes. I was dying because, as you guys know, this market, like, it has been so unpredictable.
Yeah.
The value where it was about $680, and that was really because that location was amazing. We listed it at $999,750, and we sold at the 1.175. Once we got back our investment, there was $365,000 to split. So that's $182,500 each.
That's crazy.
I know, I'm floored and I'm so excited.
It's like maybe there's a little light on our market again.
Combination of the value of location, the value of you two, and your style and your, you know, the renovations you guys did were just amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Bye. I mean, it's a big project to wrap up.